Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to one of the most important parts of the game, the break. Yep, it is the most important part in a game of pool. Alright, I'm going to try and show you how to get better splits, show you 3 different types of breaks that you can use, and these are what I always use, and depending which one I use is how the conditions are. If the table's slow, fast, damp, sticky, cushions no good, the rubber's a little bit slow. These things you learn through experience, then you know which break to use. Alright, so if you've never played on a table before and it looks nice and clean, good chance it's a fast cloth. Alright, you can normally tell if a table's slow and worn. Alright, you'll see marks on the table and little bits of the rubber you'll start to see through the cushions. All these things give you hints how the table is. Alright, so make sure you keep your eye out on this and you'll learn it from experience. Alright, if you've never played on a table before, use your power break. Okay, there's dead straight down the middle. I put the cue ball over to the right, about a ball width, and I aim to hit the front ball in between the second and third ball on the back row. That's my power break. Okay, so if I've never played on a table before, this is the break I always use now, especially with my new break cue from Carnell Cues. Alright, so you aim to hit that front ball in between the second and third ball. Play a stun run through. Now the most important thing when you break, when you pull a cue back, when you hit, leave your cue forward after the shot to keep the momentum going through the cue ball to open the pack up. Okay. As you can see, got a nice split, got one in. So I'm happy with that. Alright, so I'll show you another one. I'll show you a couple just to show you that the break works. Okay, so this is the power break. Remember, there's dead center. Move the cue ball over, about a ball width. Aim for that front ball in between the second and third ball in the back row and play a stun run through. And leave your cue forward. Okay, got one in again. Not a bad split, just one ball down there. But it's better to be in control of the game straight away than not get a shot. As I said, it's one of the most important parts of the game, the break. Got to have a good break. Show you another one. Alright, so same again. As I said, there's dead straight. Cue ball over, about a ball forward, just behind the ball point, about an inch or so. Aim the front ball in between the second and third ball on the back row. Stun run through, leave your cue forward. Okay, another big break. Nice split. You'd be happy with that. Okay. So, do another one more. Okay. There's 3 in a row. Got a ball off the break. So again, dead straight, cue ball just over, a couple inches beyond the ball line. Again, front ball in between the second and third ball back row, stun run through, leave the cue forward. Okay, got another one in. As you can see, but it's a big break. Very consistent. Okay? Keep going, we'll see how many I can get in off the break. 4. So we'll try again. Again, dead straight, down the middle, cue ball over, each 2 behind the ball line. Front ball in between the second and third ball. Leave your cue forward. Okay. Again, ball's in off the break. Okay, so five in a row. Try again. Okay, dead straight, over a cue ball, about an inch or 2. Remember, front ball in between second and third ball back row. Stun run through, leave the cue forward. Okay, well, we didn't get one in, but it was still a big break. Okay, so 5 in a row, pretty good. Okay, so now I'll show you a different break. Sorry. Okay, the second break is from over here. Line up those 2 balls, put the cue ball on that line, anywhere on that line, and you play to hit it just straight on to that second ball at the back row, and again play a stun run through. Okay. Okay. That's another power break that I used. These are 2 very good breaks. The first one's really good. This one was my old break. I used to break from here all the time, so I know this one's good too. But as I said, I've got a new break cue, so my new break's from there now. Okay, there's the line. Okay, just behind. Stun run through to that second last ball. Again, another ball went off the break, so that's 2 in a row. Always get asked how to break the balls. This is how you do it. Okay, so here we go again. Line up the line, front ball, second last ball, cue ball on that line. Play a stun run through, hit that front ball to that second last ball, and lead your cue forward. Okay, again, ball's in off the break. Just unlucky we got the cue ball. That's 3 in a row. As I said, you have to think about the conditions too, but if you're playing on a slow table, which I'll show you once I end this break position, I'll show you how to do. Again, same on that line, stun run through, lead the cue forward. Okay, another one. 4 in a row. Can we beat 5 from the last break position? They're both very good breaks. As I said, this used to be my old break, which I still alternate between this one and that one. Okay, so again, line up the front ball on that line, a couple inches beyond the balk line, stone run through, lead your cue forward. Again, back 5 in a row. You have to make sure when you break too, that in your grip, you open your hand up, don't let your fingers come off the cue, but then squeeze the cue on impact. Okay, again on that line, stone run through. That's 6 in a row. Oh, we beat the last position's break. We got 5 from 6. This one's 6 from 6. Okay, again on that line, just behind the balk line. Aim to hit that second last ball. Move the cue forward. Okay, got another one. 7 times, got a ball in off the break, which is very good. Okay, again. There's the line, just behind the balk line. Aim to hit that front ball onto that second last ball. Stone run through. Okay, again, got a ball in. To 8 out of 8. Can we get to 10? Okay, again, same position. There's the line, cue ball just behind the balk line. Aim for that front ball to the second last ball. Okay, got one in. Wasn't such a big break that time, but I still got one. So, it's 9 out of 9. Can we get 10? One more. That's it. 2 seconds. Sorry. Okay. Again, from that same position, cue ball just behind the balk line. Aim to hit that front ball to the second last ball. Stone run through. there you go, 10 out of 10 breaks from over here. So that's how good that break is. Okay, that was my old break. Okay, I've started using the break over here because I find the balls just split open just a little bit more open. So I'm still experimenting on that, but my old break, as you can see, is very good. Okay, now I'm going to show you another break. If you don't have a big break, power in your stroke. Okay, this break is very good for opening the balls up. Okay, you don't have to hit them that hard. Put the cue ball over here, about a ball and a half out off the cushion. Okay, you hit the second ball as full as you can. Okay, and hit the cue ball about center cue ball. All right, and you'll open the pack and the cue ball will go out and back towards them. Okay, so this is a very good break if you're playing on a slow table and you're using those breaks that I first showed you and they're not working. Okay, go to this one. Don't have to hit it hard and they'll still open but. Okay, so this is a very good break. So okay, as you can see, got a ball in off the break, they opened up. Alright, the only thing about this break is breaking from over here. Play it with too much power, you can bounce the ball off the table. Okay, so there you go. There's 3 types of breaks. That one, the last one I just showed you just then, is a very easy break to open the balls up. Okay, with no power behind the stroke, you don't have to hit it really hard. But the other ones are the power breaks. As you can see the results, the first one was 5 from 6. The second one was my original break, which 10 out of 10 got a ball in off the break, so that's pretty big. Alright, so hopefully this helps you guys how to break the balls. Any questions, please don't hesitate. Put a comment in the comments below and I'll try and answer you guys and get back to you. Alright guys, happy New Year coming up too, and hope to see you all next year. Cheers.